Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, camera not working because it's blocked. Fix Windows 11, 10 now. First method is change privacy and security settings. Second method, check which app used camera. Third method is update camera driver. Fourth method is reset and repair camera app. Fifth method is troubleshoot camera. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.